Walking into Wild Water and Wheels. When you first go into Wild Water and Wheels, if you're going to get a souvenir cup, show me a souvenir cup, one of those.
Yep.
Buy it when you first go in because it's a little bit cheaper. I don't know how much cheaper, a couple dollars I think.
Yeah, I think it was like $7 or $8 normally, but I know we got it for $5.99. Discounted right where you check in with your ticket and they scan it and everything, give you your wristband.
Yeah, and they give you a free refill or one time you get a free fill up, and then you have to pay 99 cents for each refill, which isn't bad. Lazy River. To the Lazy River. Like the Lazy River. Oh yeah. It's alright. Getting some of the slides. More crowd than was last year. Monkey thing and racing slides there. Jeremy's gonna go on the slide. Here he comes. How was it? Huh?
You come completely off the slide for at least 3 or 4 foot now.
Yeah.
Touching it, yeah.
Oh, he went on the black one. I thought you were on the red one. So the water park part at Wild Water and Wheels is it's closing here in a few minutes, so we're going to go play a round of golf, and we did get to do the bumper race. I was so excited about doing that, but we are going to go play golf now. Here's the bumper race that we did earlier. It was a lot of fun. See the baby, do you? Oh yeah, there it is. Same baby right there.
People like the big ones.
Oh, there's another little one right there. Hi, buddy. I don't have food this time. I'm sorry. I know. He has his head until the tornado. Yeah, they're fighting. Come on now, baby.
Kind of irritating.
This little baby again. Gonna go play some golf. Putt.
Going down.
Nope. I won last time. I'm gonna win again.
Nope.
Yep.
Taking it serious.
You did last time too. Yeah.
I didn't want you to get mad and ruin the evening, so I let you win. Even though you did get, what, 2 hole in one.
I'm gonna still be the champion. Whoop, whoop. Alrighty, here we go. Got my pink ball, my whatever it's called, golf thingy, golf club. That's what it is. One thing too about Wild Water and Wheels, they play the best music. They've been playing 80s. They played New Kids on the Block. Awesome music here. Here's Germs. Nope. Oh. There you go.
Here goes Allie Lee. Oh, the only obstacle in the way. Woo!
See, told you I had good music. Alright, we're at hole 16.
Oh. People, that's what you don't know. Every time she swings, that's what she does. How Batter does his little fanciness. That's how she wins at golf, guys, right there.
it back over the hillside? Gosh. She's just gonna drop it in the hole.
Go ahead. Oh, I didn't even see you do it. Not balling that I did right there. So basically, that's a hole in one. Basically, a hole one. Yeah.
It was a tight race. But
Yeah.
I think I
We
pulled
didn't
out.
really get to keep track too much because
No,
we had somebody on our butt.
That's how it is. You get a couple kids having a blast and stuff, and they just want to rush through.
Yeah.
So I guess we could have let them go in front of us, but I think that eventually there towards the end it slowed down and we could actually separate by like 2 or 3 holes.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh well. It was fun.
It was great. Yeah, I loved it. I love this place. This place is
I do
awesome.
too. Yeah. At Wild Water and Wheels, they have a weekly pass, which is pretty cool. And then the season's that price. But if you're saying the Surfside, that'd be probably a better deal to do the weekly pass, I
Really?
think. Yeah. We got ours off Groupon again, so it was a good deal.
Oh yeah, always is.
Y'all may see my shirt. I'm not sure if you did, but I think it's cute. It says mermaids have more fun. And I'm a mermaid. Here's gonna be me and Jeremy one day. People right there. Walking the beach with 3 little doggies. It'll be us one day. Jeremy's cooking, grilling out for Labor Day. Yeah.
Got my portable grill with some, put some little burn ups, use that. But,
Chicken burgers.
yep, chicken hamburgers.
It's good.
Yep.
Smells good. I'm gonna go walk the beach tonight. It's so pretty.
The moon
From
looks
our
fake,
balcony.
don't it?
Yeah, it does. Doesn't do justice on the camera, but you should see it from the balcony. It's so pretty. The moonlight on the ocean. I think y'all can see it well, but see the moonlight is huge. We've been looking during the day and never could find shark's teeth, and Jeremy found one finally. It's kind of looks like it's ripped off or something.
It looks weird. I don't know, it's not a full shape, but I can see the gum line
Yeah.
on it. I can see like it's got like a little serrated edge.
Yeah.
It's got
Yeah. There's another crab.
bigger one there.
Do it again.
It's right there. I'm touching the back of it.
Yeah, it's hard to see
Yeah,
with the
legs.
light. There we go. There he is. You can see his eyeball.
They're almost transparent, I think.
Labor Day fireworks. Gonna go take a late night swim. I'm gonna go swim indoors though, because it is chilly after it
Yeah,
rains.
it's a little nippy. That's for sure.
Trying to find some towels though, because we didn't bring ours down from upstairs, and we don't feel like going back up there, but we might have to. So we want to go in the other hotel and the other side of the hotel and see if they have any. Found some towels. You going to go swimming there?
All about it. Nah, I'm good.
Chilly?
Nah, it's not too bad. It actually felt warmer than the one across the street.
Really? There's nobody here.
You getting in?
Not outside.
So you're probably shaking too, aren't you?
Yeah.
We'll go in.
Everybody's in the hot tub too, on both sides of the hotel. Which one?
Warmer than
Both
the
of
outside pool, yeah.
The Bowen, the Lazy River, the Kitty. I don't know where you're going to do.
It's your choice. Probably the Lazy River. It's more
Yeah.
chill, relaxing.
Just out of the hot tub and I dared him to jump in
it's
this
so
pool.
cold out here.
Oh my gosh, it is cold. There he goes.
Woo!
Frigid.
It's cold. It is cold. I got chill bump big time.
I can't do it. I was cold in the hot tub, so it is chilly out here, I'm not gonna lie.
off the road on that one. How you doing?
See, man, that's what I was doing.
It's about 10 degrees warmer in this indoor pool than that outdoor pool.
Dr. Fligner's assistant in the autopsy room noticed a tiny clue. It wasn't
Not bad
anything
for a
she could
30-minute
see.
walk down the beach.
Hey,
It was something.
we're gonna go back out and look for more.
Yeah.
If you want
Might be out
to.
there all night. Yeah, I'm cool.
Good morning, everyone. The sun's great. It's above everything cloud. Sun's coming up now. Jeremy's looking for shark's teeth. Did you find one?
Little teeny baby. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and there's a little. Yep.
Sweet.
We just crossed this area right there. I had to get on Jeremy's back. But we're still looking for teeth. We thought this would probably be the perfect spot, but
No, I ain't seen one yet.
no. We've seen some fishies.
Fish right here.
Yeah. And today's a chilly, rainy looking day. Yeah, I feel something. We're still gonna go make the most of it.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go to the store here in a little bit and I don't know. Oh, we're gonna do good.
Around the pool, I'd say it'll be
packed.
packed too, because everybody
I
will be
keep thinking it's lightning back there, but I'm not sure. I don't know.
still better than work.
Yep. Oh yeah. Keep our scrapers on, so we can sit here on the balcony and watch that and have the ocean in the background.
I'm a little
It'll
cold
be our
right now.
kind of day. I know it is kind of chilly. I'm always cold though, so we'll still keep people out there.
Yeah, looks like most of this people packed.
Yeah.
I'll get out there and walk and stuff. I'll probably put
Oh,
a little
yeah.
bit, like a long sleeve shirt, like one of them breathable fishing shirts. Or
Yeah. Or definitely get out there and do something.
Oh,
Everybody's stocking up on the water and they're putting more out. Hurricane Irma is thinking to say having the milk. And the rain didn't hold off. Now it's showing 2 red flags, so I guess that means it's closed. Definitely, I would say to swim. I wouldn't think the whole beach.
I don't
would
see
you?
how they could close the beach. I mean, is it not a public beach?
I would think. I mean, there's some dude that
Yeah, I mean, there's people walking and stuff. I'd say you could walk and
got
stuff. You just
swimming.
not supposed to be in the water.
One guy is.
Yeah, they don't care. There's a cop driving by too on down there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's probably just for their safety.
Yeah, it's just a recommendation, I'd
Yeah.
say.
We're back out on the ocean, or the beach. Not
Oh,
on the
yeah.
ocean, but on the beach. It's sprinkling, but oh well.
Manageable.
Yep.
Making the best of
Well,
it.
they say rainy day at the beach is what? Rainy day?
I'm not sure. I get a good day at work. A bad day at the beach is better than a good day
Hey,
at
that's
work
what I'm
or
thinking
something
of.
like that.
Yeah. I love it. It seems like this over the has the rain holes in it. I like that. We still can't swim though. But that's alright, I don't want to anyway. I think it'd be cold. So we're gonna look for shark's teeth again. We're the new shark's teeth hunter. So far on our walk, I found 2 shark's teeth. Just 2 seconds in a row,
Yeah.
basically. We were
Only
just
2
walking,
steps.
and I just looked down, and I was like, "Oh, there's one." And then walked a couple more steps. There's another one.
How have we not
Just
noticed
right
it
here.
before
I
now?
don't know. We were looking on the way down this way, and we didn't see any. And we're walking back to our hotel now, and it was just like there. This is what you want to look for too when trying to search for shark's teeth. So it's like a needle in a haystack, but they're there. Trust me. Never thought I'd find some, but we found quite a bit. Just Jeremy's swimming in the pool.
Woo! Feels good. Get that salt water off.
Yeah. cold himself. I think it's too cold, so I'm not getting in.
Woo! Feels good, refreshing.
Somebody's jamming to Justin Bieber. Are you gonna get in there?
What is it?
Are you gonna get in there, or are we just getting a towel?
Well, I'll get in there. I'll put it around.
See if it's hot or warm.
Oh, it's warmer.
Is it warmer?
This thing moves pretty good, too.
Yeah, it does. Here's our findings today. We found some more shark's teeth. We're not sure if these are shark's teeth or not, so if y'all know, let us know. It has like, a lot of them has like a top, it looks like it broke off, but we're not positive, so if you know, let us know. But these are definitely shark's teeth. And if you know what kind of sharks they are, let us know too. Storm coming in. I think it's pouring down the rain right now. They left the beach now.